guy, maybe 36 years old, but he's producing the numbers, and they're very comfortable with it. He's a guy that battles through the game, battles through whatever illness or sickness. Against Blackwater, 18.7 rebounds for hindi siya masyadong kinailangan na talagang mag-flex in that ball game because like you said, they were in control of that game. But you know, Justin Brownlee,
Ako lang nagkagalo sa kanya.
si Justin Brownlee, nilagay din itong January 17. And it's all remember, Seth, birthday din ngayon ng kanilang team governor na si Coach Alfred.
Baka may naka-line up tapos lang din. Lalo na masaya sa Danago. Okay. Alam mo, sa Ginebra, no? Clearly, the transition from LA to
Ay, nagbayad ni kanya 3 a.m.
Super talented. 15 points, 6 of 10 from the field, 2 rebounds, 9 points in the second quarter. He scores in bunches. Ang magandang magagawa sa kanya, matulog, especially in Eddie Tenorio, is the decision making. Kasi kabisado na ni